If you've ever wondered what actually goes wrong inside the body when someone gets sick, then you're about to understand it in the simplest way possible. Today, we're breaking down pathophysiology, the foundation of everything you learn in nursing. Let's make it easy. Section 1. What is pathophysiology? Simple definition. Pathophysiology is the study of how normal body functions change when disease happens. Think of it like this. Physiology, how the body normally works. Patho, what goes wrong. Put them together and you get the story of a disease, where it starts, how it develops, and why symptoms show up. Section 2. The 5-step process of disease. Easy breakdown. Every disease follows a pattern, and once you understand this pattern, everything becomes easier. Normal function. How things are supposed to work. The heart pumps blood, lungs oxygenate, kidneys filter. Trigger or cause. This is what disrupts normal function. Infection, injury, genetics, lifestyle, autoimmune issues. Body response. The body tries to fix the problem. Your heart beats faster, your immune system activates, your kidneys hold on to fluid. Abnormal changes. This is what happens inside the body. Inflammation, tissue damage, low oxygen, fluid buildup. Signs and symptoms. These changes show up as pain, swelling, shortness of breath, fever, or fatigue. Section 3. Quick examples you'll see in nursing. Asthma. Airways tighten, inflame, and fill with mucus. That's why patients wheeze and can't breathe. Heart failure. The heart gets weak. Fluid backs up. Swelling and shortness of breath. Diabetes. Cells stop responding to insulin. Sugar stays in the blood. Long-term damage to nerves and organs. High blood pressure. Blood pushes too hard against vessel walls. Damage. Risk for heart attack and stroke. Section 4. Why pathophysiology matters in nursing. You can't just memorize symptoms. You need to know why they happen. Understanding pathophysiology helps you make sense of diseases, predict complications, know which interventions matter, provide better patient care, pass exams and the NClex with confidence. Now you know what pathophysiology really means and how to break down any disease in a way that finally makes sense. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with another nursing student who needs it.